Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Chevy Silverado 1500. Stock number is A6549A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks. Chrome bumper and grille definitely add a sharp feel up front, especially when coupled with the chrome wheels. Those are 20-inch chrome wheels, and they are wrapped with Goodyear Eagle tires. Running boards on the side. You have nice chrome accents for the door handles and mirror caps as well. Leather interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. There's no rips, tears, stains, anything like that on any of these seats. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch and a rear backup camera here on the back. Spray-in Chevy bed liner keeps the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Four-wheel drive controls, cruise, audio and Bluetooth mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. You have dual climate control as well as dual heated seats. Down here you have 3 USB ports and a full-size plug so you can charge any of your devices. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Silverado on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and much more at holidayautomotive.com.